And 25 Harry Potter. Oh yeah, this is like Harry Potter or something,
The wait is
man.
over. We are unlocking the Kabyware Vault for our exclusive coverage of CES 2026. We sent Mike to the floor to find the tech that's going to change the game. First up, a printer that prints 3D Polaroid holograms instantly. Mike, show them what you found at Fotostax.
Harry Potter. Oh yeah, this is like Harry Potter or something, man.
This is instantly printed by our camera in less than 30 seconds. It's worth the same concept as Polaroid. You buy the camera, you buy the cartridges, and you get this incredible effects out of your phone. You have 3D motion effects. They're printed directly with our app. We have patents all over the world on this stuff. Hardware, software all over China, Korea, Europe, plus UK and US.
Nice.
And we're launching in early May over Kickstarter.
You got the email. Nice.
Finish
Hey, can you use any camera on it or
any phone. Any phone.
Nice.
Android, iOS, even the other phones.
Nice.
So we can enable any single phone to be able to do this.
Yeah, nice.
How cool was that? Instant 3D prints are finally here. It's innovation like this that inspires us at Kabyware to keep pushing boundaries for our clients. Speaking of Kabyware, have you seen our new Superbowl ad?
I couldn't help but overhear. You talking about capital? You talking about overhead? Brick and mortar? Who has that kind of money right now? You asking for a loan? I mean, look at you. I'm sure you don't got the credit. Prices are all over the place. Up this week, down next week. It's fugazi. You can't tell what's up anymore.
Sure, you got AI knowledge.
But AI can't help you if
You don't know the moves.
So here is what I want you to do.
You can check out the full ad on the link below. What do you think about Fotostax? Is this the future of photography? Let us know in the comments below. We are just getting started unlocking the vault, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive tech finds from CES 2026.